Find the LCM of 18, 24 and 30 using common division method. Please follow the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Start dividing 18, 24 and 30 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all three integers exactly, we get 9, 12 and 15. Again, start dividing 9, 12 and 15 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides only 12 exactly, we get 6, while 9 and 15 remain unchanged. Again, start dividing 9, 6 and 15 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides only 6 exactly, we get 3, while 9 and 15 remain unchanged. Again, start dividing 9, 3 and 15 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide any of the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides all three integers exactly, we get 3, 1 and 5. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1, while 1 and 5 remain unchanged. Observe, 5 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 5 divides 5 exactly, we get 1, while these two ones remain unchanged. Stop here since all the integers become 1. Finally, multiply all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5. Therefore, LCM of 18, 24 and 30 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 360. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of HCF and LCM, please subscribe and watch the playlists below from beginning to end.